Hello students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, the story of food. The story of the food that you eat. We all need food to live. We take food because it gives us energy, it helps us to grow, it helps us to stay healthy and protect us against diseases. It gives us energy to work and play, to study, to dance, to walk, and to do many physical activities. So, we need food to get energy and to survive. The main sources of food are plants and animals. So, first of all, we will discuss about the food that we get from plants. So, these are some foods that come under the category of cereals like wheat, rice, maize, and millet. They store the excess food in their seeds. These seeds are called grains. We eat these grains. And wheat is used for making chapatis, bread, and cakes. Rice is boiled and eaten. It is also used for making idlis and dosas. And I know most of you like the idlis and dosas. Next, we get vegetables from plants. We eat green vegetables. They are good for our health. Vegetables are eaten raw or cooked. We eat different parts of plants as vegetables, like root, stem, and the underground stem. Here, these are some vegetables whose roots are eaten by us, like turnip, carrot, and radish are the root of the plants, and we eat them. Here, these are some underground stems of some plants like onion, ginger, and potato. These are underground stems and we eat them. We eat the leaves of some plants like cabbage, spinach, mint, and methi. So, we eat the root, we eat the underground stems, we eat the leaves of the plant, and next we eat the fruits of plants. But before that, I would like to share an important information that cauliflower is a flower eaten as vegetable. We consider that cauliflower is a vegetable, but actually it is a flower that we eat as vegetable. Tomatoes and brinjals we eat as vegetables are fruits. These come under the categories of fruits. And next is fruit. We eat fruits like apples, bananas, mangoes, pineapples, peas, oranges, grapes, and many more. Different people like different types of fruits. These fruits are very tasty. And you know who is the king of the fruits? Mango. Mango is very sweet. Fruits grow from the flowers of plants. So we eat the fruits of the plants. Next is we get spices like chili, clove, pepper, ginger, and turmeric from plants. We add spices to our food to make it tasty. So these are the food which we get from the plants. And next one is oil. It is obtained from the seeds of plants like groundnut, mustard, sunflower, and coconut. The oils that are used in cooking are called edible oils. And you can find the names of the cooking oils by asking your mother. Okay? Next, when we are sick, our elders give us medicines. And these medicines we get from plants also. These plants are known as medicinal plants. For example, we use dried roots of mulethi to cure our cough and cold. We can also use the leaf juice of tulsi to cure our cough and cold. We take leaves and seeds of dhatura to cure diseases like asthma and bronchitis. We use the leaves and seed oil of neem to cure fever. And we take the fruits of amla to cure constipation. The oil obtained from the leaves of safeda used to cure nose and throat disorders. We use turmeric powder for the treatment of wounds and sprains. And to cure the malaria, the medicine is obtained from the plant that is known as chinchon plant. So, these are the food that we get from plants. Next, the food that we get from animals. The first one is milk. We get milk from animals like buffaloes, cows, and goats. We should drink a glass of milk every day. Milk is said to be complete food as it has all the nutrients required by our body. Milk is also used in making food products like butter, cheese, paneer, ghee, curd, and ice creams. We get eggs and flesh from hens and ducks. Some people eat the flesh of goat, fish, and other animals. Now, we will discuss the journey of food that we buy from the shopkeeper, how it reaches to the shopkeepers. Let us see. First, the farmers grow cereals, fruits, and vegetables in their fields. Then they sell these food items to the wholesalers in the wholesale market. The shopkeepers buy these food items from the wholesalers in the wholesale market. We buy our food items from the shopkeepers in our neighborhood. This is how we get the food in our kitchen. Now, our parents go to the market to buy the cereals, fruits, and vegetables. Then, your mother prepares breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the whole family. Sometimes, fathers also help her in cooking food. This is very good habit because mother does most of the household work. She cooks food for the family. She washes clothes of the family. She cleans the utensils after our meal. So, we should also help her in her household chores. In the evening, when father returns from his office, all the family members sit together at the dining table to have the dinner. So this is all about the food. Now we must eat chapatis, rice, pulses, fruits and vegetables. We must drink a glass of milk every day. The diet that has all types of healthy food in the right amount is known as balanced diet. And we all should have to take the balanced diet to keep our body fit and healthy. Balanced diet may be different for different people. For a newborn baby, milk is enough. So milk is a complete food for the newborn baby. Growing children need a lot of bodybuilding foods like pulses, eggs, and flesh. A laborer working hard needs more energy giving food than a person who is working in an office. A man needs more food than a woman, and similarly, a boy requires more food than a girl. So, student, this is all about the food. Thank you.